900 lumens, it really is that bright. What you just saw is this little light right here. This is the compact WL10GL from Aimwin. This little light and laser combo is a 900 lumen light with the green laser. You can cycle through the modes right here with the back paddles. It has two different brightnesses right here by just double clicking that button. This has a removable battery right here, magnetic charger to a USB-C, IPX6 waterproof, impact resistant. I absolutely love this little light and laser combo. If you guys want to check it out, these are selling extremely fast and I left that link down below for you guys.